Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I thought it would be fun to film a clean with me video after the holidays. So we spent Christmas at our new house with our family for the first time, and let me tell you, the house got really messy and really crazy. And this was at the end of the night. After everything was done, everybody went home. I put on a face mask and I got to clean. So my fiance and I definitely split up the workload because it was a lot, and it was a lot easier to do that. I hope you guys had a great holiday season, spent time with your loved ones and your family. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up if you like watching cleaning videos, and I'll see you guys next time.